How to make money on Instagram, whether you have 1,000 or 100,000 followers. You've probably heard stories of Instagrammers who are cashing in on the pictures they snap and share every day. Before getting into the video, hit the subscribe button. You might have even looked at your own sizable following and thought, maybe I can do that too. Reach and influence, together these two things offer the opportunity for Instagram creators to explore multiple streams of potential revenue, whether they want to build an empire or just earn some extra cash and free stuff. Let me show you the different ways to make money on Instagram. The first one is becoming an affiliate and making a commission selling other brands' products. Monetizing your videos or content with ads, like YouTube. Going live with badges is another way of making money on Instagram. Creating and selling a physical or digital product, or offering a paid service. You may get this question: how do I work with brands on sponsored posts? The term influencer gets thrown around a lot these days. Cristiano Ronaldo is now making over £1.7 million per Instagram post from sponsored posts, after the Man United star became the first person to pass 450 million followers on Instagram. Influencers play a crucial role working with brand and make money on Instagram. Let me tell you about this. Becoming an affiliate, you can earn a commission. This is typically done with a trackable link or unique promo code, to ensure clicks actually translate into sales. Monetize your videos on Instagram. Taking any topic videos from the YouTube channel, you could easily make money on Instagram by streaming ads on your video, which is only available in some countries. Going live with badges. Inspired by the popular tip feature on TikTok and Twitch, Instagram badges are a new monetization concept, enabling influencers or creators to make money on Instagram. The number of hearts next to the username of the followers denoted the badges they purchased. You can open your own online store. But creators of all kinds are also in a good position to sell out with their own products, like physical goods, services, or digital items that can be an extension of their brand, building a business with an audience at its center. Sell your photos online or on things. If photography is what got you into the Instagram game in the first place, you can list your photos in marketplaces like 500px or 2020, where brands and publishers might license them.